Hi there, Troy Thompson with Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota. A lot of my clients buying new cars or newer cars ask me if they should have gap insurance. Well, my answer for that is it depends. If you have a loan on a vehicle, let's say you buy a car for $20,000, have an $18,000 loan on the car, you drive it off the lot, now that car is only worth $17,000. That means you have $1,000 of gap between what the car's value is and what you owe on it. So in that case, absolutely get gap insurance. If you're wondering if gap insurance is right for your situation, reach out to Pinnacle Insurance today and watch this video.
Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody.
Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 5-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 5-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota.